In this video, I'm going to show you how to get urgent visa to Vietnam with Vietnam Bazaine, or in less than 3 minutes. So let's get started. If you need a visa urgently, you can contact a travel agency to get an urgent visa. However, you can get an urgent visa by yourself without any travel agency. And that's what I'm going to show you today. First, go to the website vietnamvisaonline.org. You will see the home page of the website. You can see all the necessary information about the visa on this page. We specialize in making the eVisa process simple, fast, and reliable for travelers worldwide. Whether you need a Vietnam eVisa, tourist visa, business visa, or urgent visa approval, our step-by-step tutorials and expert tips help you apply online with confidence. Since I need an urgent visa, I will click on Get Urgent Visa. Then I need to choose the type of visa. There are 3 types of visa: single entry, double entry, and multiple entries. Since I'm traveling to Vietnam for the first time, I will choose single entry visa. Then, I need to enter my passport information. After that, I need to choose the duration of my visa. I will choose 1 month because that's the maximum time I can stay in Vietnam as a tourist. Then, I need to enter my personal information such as my name, date of birth, nationality, and so on. Make sure you enter the correct information because it has to match with your passport. After that, you can see the price for the visa. If you're satisfied with the price, you can go to the next step. You need to make the payment for the visa. You can pay for the visa by credit card or PayPal. I will choose PayPal. Then you will receive an email to confirm your account. Click on the confirmation link in the email, and now your account has been confirmed. Now you can log into your account and upload your passport size photograph. The photograph you upload must be in JPEG format, and the size must be between 100 kilobits to 300 kilobits. After that, you need to wait for the email from the company. For urgently, you will receive the email within 24 hours. In my case, for emergency, I received the email in 1 hour. That's how you get urgent visa to Vietnam. If you have any questions, please leave comments below. I will try my best to help you. Good luck and see you soon.